Now, Windows Photo Viewer is not going to show you PSD files, which is a problemo. But this tool does that, so I can make a new layer, just go like that, save that, and you'll see that we now got this PSD thumbnail. Then, so if I click next here, you'll see that it actually shows the PSD in Photo Viewer as well in Windows 7. Not sure about Windows 10 if Windows 10 can kick it without this application, but anyway, $10, so it's something that I just have to have. Make sure that you maximize PSD compatibility. Set that to always, or else it will not work. So $10, and I'll just, absolutely have to have that application.